How to remove underline while typing on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily remove the underline while typing on Android. Now let's just begin. First off, you're going to have to go ahead and open any notes app or anything like that. So I'll show you what it means. So I'll just go over here and then open up my notes app. Then I can open up a new note and then I can start typing. And if I just go ahead and type random stuff here, it's going to show me the red underline where the spellings are not correct. Now to turn it off, you are going to have to open up settings menu. So let me just clear everything from here. Once you open up settings, you need to go ahead and scroll down and find general management. Then find your keyboard. So tap on keyboard. From here, you can change your keyboard settings. So I'll just go over to Samsung keyboard for now. And then you need to find something called spelling check. If you don't see it here, you can just select auto spell check, tap on it. And then if this is turned on, you just have to basically turn it off, just like that. And if you are using any other keyboard like Gboard, you can go over to their settings. Then go to correction and suggestions. And then as you can see here, the spell check is turned on and grammar check is also turned on. So what you basically do is turn these off, but since I'm not using Gboard spell checker, I can't access these settings. So let me show you how it looks if I have the Gboard settings. Now right here under the keyword settings, I have spelling correction used by Samsung keyboard. So let me just change it to Gboard spell checker and then tap on OK. And you're good to go. So if I just go ahead and type random stuff, it's going to show the red underline. Now I can access Gboard settings and then turn it off like this. That's basically it. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.